December Grizzly Pride Assembly. We're so excited to have you join us. And Miss Lucy and I are here with our cheering section to present our Grizzly Pride Awards for all of you that worked so hard during the month of December. Miss Lucy, take it away.
Yes, and this is our very last one of the year, so I'm super excited. And the very first one is from Señor Rodríguez, and this one is for Sienna M. Por ser una estudiante con actitud positiva todo el tiempo y con muchas ganas de aprender. Sienna siempre está a tiempo para las reuniones virtuales. Es muy paciente y es un gusto poder tenerla en clase. Sin duda, un modelo a seguir para todos los estudiantes. Muy bien, Sienna.
And my first one is for Evangeline M, and it's from Mrs. Hauk. And Evangeline has been very respectful during Zoom class meetings and working very diligently to get all her classwork completed. Nice job, Evangeline.
This next one is from Maestra Galvez, and this one is for Cindy S. Cindy es una estudiante responsable que le da su mejor esfuerzo y entrega su trabajo. Muy bien, Cindy.
This next one's for Elijah N, and it's from Mrs. Wells, Mr. Wells, Mrs. Davidson, and Mrs. B, and it's for his great attitude every day in class. Elijah actively participates and always has a smile on his face. Nice job, Elijah.
This next one is from Señora Avery, and this one is from Paul M. Por seguir los 4 valores, siempre asistir todas las clases y ser puntual, y completar y entregar todas las tareas en clase y tareas fuera de clase. Muy bien.
And this one's also from our specialists, Mrs. B, Mrs. Davidson, and Mr. Wells. I got it right that time. And it's for Charles O, because Charles O always works hard in music and PE. Charles shows his 4-4 every day in class. Good job, Charles.
Well, this one is from Señora Carlen y Señora Ana, and it's for Will H. Por su gran participación en clase, tanto en el micrófono como usando el chat, se queda en el idioma de instrucción y está dispuesto a mejorar como estudiante. Sigue con el buen trabajo, Will.
My next one's from Miss BJ, and it's for Kira and Kira B in her class for being responsible. She shows up for class ready to learn every day and being respectful. She listens to the teachers even when she's super excited. So good job, Kira.
Good job. From Señora Herman, we have Jesus D. Siempre pone su mejor esfuerzo en clase, en sus tareas y en su grupo pequeño de la escritura. Demuestra los 4 valores de la escuela cada día. Es un estudiante ejemplar. ¡Felicidades, Jesús!
My next one's from Mrs. Gill, and it goes to Timothy S. And it's because Timothy has been an awesome student. He shows up every day on time, ready to learn, and his materials are ready. He follows directions, actively participates. He's such a great role model for other students. Keep up the excellent work, Timothy.
From Señora Shakira, we have Hailey H. Hailey es una estudiante ejemplar. Ella hace su mejor trabajo todos los días y en todas las actividades. Muestra los 4 valores y siempre está dispuesta a participar. También completa todas sus actividades sencilla y tiene actitud positiva. ¡Buen trabajo, Hailey!
My next one's for Mrs. Swift, and it's for Gabby F. Because Gabby has worked very hard this month. She shows up to every live meeting, actively participates. She's very kind to everybody in class, so thank you, Gabby.
This one is from Maestra Mensesar. For Jade O. Jade siempre viene a la clase de Zoom lista para aprender y con una sonrisa. Jade se esfuerza al máximo con sus tareas en la clase de Zoom y en cita. También Jade es respetuosa y amable con sus compañeros. Muy bien.
The next one's from Maestra Curio, and it's for Cadence M, and it's for perseverance during CDL. Cadence is working very hard in the classroom, even when things get difficult. She makes sure to always ask questions. She asks for help when she needs it. Good job, Cadence.
And for Maestra Ceja, we have Eliana D. Por constantemente seguir instrucciones la primera vez. Por su esfuerzo por aprender y por escuchar respetuosamente a sus compañeros. y cuando ellos están participando. Muy bien, Eliana.
And my last one is for Orlando Jean. It's from Mrs. Reyes, because Orlando graduated from speech. He worked hard, and so he is done with speech. So good job, Orlando, and congrats.
Next one is from Señora Pérez for Eddie D. Siendo responsable y respetuosa en clase, Eddie hace su trabajo de clase, comparte ideas reflexivas y levanta la mano cuando quiere hablar. Ella es muy amable con los demás. Muy bien, Eddie. And last but not least, this one's from Maestro Cisneros, and it's for Leila M. Por ser independiente, participar en clase, entregar su tarea a tiempo y completar los trabajos opcionales. Leila se esfuerza en participar su escritura y lectura con las actividades que hace después de clase. Muy bien, Leila.
Hey, boys and girls, that's the end of our awards. We want to thank you all for working so hard earning these awards. We look forward to reading some more names in January. I also want to say we just appreciate how hard you've worked during CDL this fall. It hasn't been easy. You guys have worked hard. Our staff has worked hard. So we just want to let you know that today is the last day of school before winter break. We want you to enjoy the next 2 weeks off, take a break, relax, recharge, and so enjoy your time off with family over the next couple weeks.
Yes, and remember, you'll get these in the mail, so check your mail.